Balot! I'm waiting more for my company. So what's the name of this place?
Tres. Tugas.
Tugas. We're going to Anda.
Huh?
We're going to Anda. This is the right way. Go there.
Straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Mm.
Then
Before the enter,
before the enter.
Ha,
sa eskwelahan.
okay.
School.
Trinidad.
Trinidad.
So how long? How many kilometers?
I don't.
Wala noon sa Trinidad to Anta. Siguro mga 8 to
9
9.
kilometers.
I think.
So I can ask.
A sign.
There's a signboard. Signboard.
Yes, signboard. There is.
Thank you so much. Maybe I'm half Arab, but my face Filipino. That's why, because my mother's Filipina.
And you? Oh, your father?
Half Arab. I'm.
Where?
Oh, so you Arabic?
Yeah.
Where in Arab country?
Riyadh.
Ayan.
My father is Arab.
Hindi totoo yan.
Can I?
So you can talk Arab?
Exactly. Why not? Ano
We can talk
ano
also Arabic.
You can talk also
Yes,
Arabic.
we are three here.
By the way, I'm Muhammad Abdullah.
Yeah, I'm Annie.
Ani.
Bautista.
You?
I'm Rose.
Bruce.
Yeah.
Kuya.
My daughter.
Yeah, this is your other.
Yeah, and this,
And this
that one also.
beautiful
my
lady
daughter.
inside.
Yes, my daughter also. I'm her mother.
Like a syrup. Yeah.
We worked before in Kuwait. The three
We
of
are
us.
staying in
before.
Kuwait.
Pardon?
We were working in
Yeah.
Kuwait before.
Me,
Are you working in Kuwait before
Yes.
as
As
domestic?
domestic, yeah. I think 38 years I'm working there.
My dad, their
English.
co-worker is a Filipino. Yeah.
So how long you stay here now?
1 month.
1 month?
1 month.
Where you stay?
Bye.
Ingat mo!
But I'm waiting my company.
I see.
We've been there in Rantay Hills. Very far.
Very far.
Yeah.
Mountain.
Yeah. So can I ask one question? What is the best food here?
Wow. Best food?
Yeah.
There's so many plenty here.
Like lechon.
Like lechon, you eat lechon. Lechon, you eat lechon. Is that haram for you?
I know that is haram. But we are here in Philippines. I adapt the culture here.
Yeah, you have to.
Adobo. Lechon.
Adobo.
Yes. Filipino food.
Yeah,
No,
you
I'm
have to
joking.
try the
I'm
culture
joking. I'm
of our
joking.
country here.
I'm joking that, and then my community so that
No.
I ate that.
You make record?
Yeah, I filming. No problem. I'm a vlogger. Okay. Bitaw gon sa mo diri.
Sabi niya, ay,
Vlogger bitaw ko.
hindi ako rin.
Vlogger ko. Kaya, kasi panganin mo kaya. Na-prank. Okay natin?
Okay.
Tagapatura bitaw ko. Tagapatura ko. Shout out na po yung shout out.
Hi! Dami pangalimos ko.
Apollo Kibuloy. Apollo Kibuloy.
Kung sa mali mo si Kubuloy.
Hindi pangita na musik yun.
Uy, ako lang gigamit niyang account. Account name na ba? Mora.
So you're from Arabic, ha?
No. I only study Arabic a little bit. Bitaw, salamat ninyo ha. Naprang muna ko, okay ra? Ha? Shout out there sa Tugas. There sa Tugas, mga gwapa, mga gwapo. So more totoo din. Yeah, di siya. Pa-support ninyo ha. Dagang salamat ninyo tanan. Apollo Kibuloy.
Apollo Kibuloy.
Okay, akong i-endorse na imong tindahan para
Isa mo na.
kinawat na. O si pa yung tindahan.
Ruby.
Ruby.
Ibor.
Ah, Ruby.
Ibor.
Sa mga mamalit diha, dire mo la si Ruby nga tindahan, diri sa Tugas. Sa eskina mismo. Magkainom na po ning tawa na yate. Vlogger bitaw ko.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa kanya.
Vlogger ko.